Hey, just figured I'd make this quick video of how to do screens. You saw me make the frame, and this is the first screen I've ever done, and it came out great. As you can see, the screen's in there, and my other friend showed me how to do it. This is a screen I had the frame. I'm just going to replace the screen. But here's one of those frames with no screen. You lay out your stuff. I could probably plop the camera down somewhere where you can see it. Yeah, unless you want to film. You want to film?
Of course.
Unless your father calls. So what you do is you just take this rubber beading, spline I guess they call it, and I'm just going to start here. I'm going to start it at the corner inside. It's pretty simple to do. And you push it in there. You get it to catch in, sink down, and you just push along. Actually, I don't like the way I started this one, but I'd rather go backwards. You know what? I'm going to go this way because I don't like the way I started that one over there. I'm going to start it from here and go around. This way I have a way to pull the screen tight. But you see how simple? It goes down. You just run it in. And I'm doing this alone except for that fine cameraman I have over there. We call him Cameraman William. Okay. And we just run this along. I see some creases coming up there. See, I'm trying to use a piece of screen that was ripped, which might be a problem. I'm seeing bumps come up, but we'll see. We'll see if it comes out at the end. And now I'm doing this with my weak hand. And you just hold a little pressure. Let's see. It's going pretty easy. Okay, so far so good. And then I'm going to turn the corner. And the last part at the very end is going to be just cutting the screen with a knife, which is actually, again, pretty easy. I'm just tucking this in where I think it's going to wind up at the corner. I'll tuck them all in better at the end. See, that's where that rip was, right there. But this was my friend's screening, so I chose not to waste any. And then I'll just knife this little piece off without hitting the screen. Tuck that in there. And that's it. Now, you just take your knife. Actually, you know what I am. Let me just tuck this in. I just tuck the corners in. You know what's funny? The first one came out better. All right, let me just knife this down. I can't really get the corners down. Okay. There it went down. Close enough. I'll push it down more. And you just go along the edge. You just cut. I would never cut at myself like I just did. That was pretty bad. See, you can see where the rips were of the screen I tried to save. And then, did I do that back line already? No. There was another rip there. And then we just come back. And that should be it, I think. Nope. Look at that, popped it back out. This little piece. And the screen comes out. And that's it, other than where it's attached here. Let me get this little piece. It might be attached back here. One little ledge. It came out better. Came out better the first time. That's for sure. But there it is. And it came out. Now I'm just gonna make sure those rubber things are in there all the way because I did pull it out a little bit. And that's it. But basically, you got the idea. It works. It's done. Okay.